Hey there, I'm Nina, and I am going to be going live this next Wednesday, August the 26th, 2026 at 11 a.m. Central Time. And I'm going to be teaching you how to finish your watercolor painting. So this is the little subject that I decided to paint. I absolutely love blue and white pottery and dishes, anything like this that's blue and white. It doesn't matter if it's an antique or if I pick it up somewhere like TJ Maxx. If I see a piece that I like, I'm gonna buy it. So anyway, this is a really cute, easy subject to paint. It's got some really nice lines, some pretty details on it, and then we've got this little fish on the front and on the top. And then this little part that's at the top is kind of a unique shape. And there's even this tiny little hole in there that shows up in the painting. So I've already started this painting and have created the first part of the tutorial, which is going to be available for this painting. So let me show you how far I've gotten so far. So this is my teapot. I put in all of my lightest lights and my midtones. So that's where I've stopped. And it's taking on a little bit of shape, and it's starting to get a little bit dimension, but it doesn't look real yet, does it? This is where a lot of people get stuck, or they stop painting at this point. And then they're frustrated because they don't know why their paintings do not look realistic. Well, the live portion of this painting is going to be putting in the darkest darks, and then I'll have the final details in a separate little tutorial. But what I want to focus on in this live event is showing you that once you get past putting in your midtones and you're ready to put in all those dark colors, that's when everything really starts to just pop and come to life. And if you struggle with getting to that middle point in your painting, and then you kind of just get frozen or stuck and you don't really know how to carry the painting on through to the end so that when you're done, it looks round or whatever shape it might be, and it actually looks realistic. A lot of people will tell me that they're frustrated because they feel like their paintings look flat. And simply it comes down to values. And I know that probably sounds boring, but I could paint the same teapot any color I want to, yellow, green, blue, pink, whatever. But as long as my values are where they're supposed to be, that is what's going to make that teapot look realistic. Now I've got these little things right here, and I call them viewfinders. I don't know, that's what I call them. All it is a couple of pieces of watercolor paper with holes punched in the middle. And I'm going to show you how I use those to make sure that I have my values on point. So if that is interesting to you, make sure you come to the live event, if for nothing else, to see what those are used for. But anyway, you're going to be able to see how I think, how I make decisions, why I do what I do, and then watch this teapot go from looking half-baked to done, and go from looking kind of flat and ordinary to looking realistic and just full of life and dimension. So I hope that you'll join me on August the 26th, 2026 at 11 a.m. Central Time. I'm going to have the link in the description box below for you, and I'm going to try to remember to do the time zone differences so that 11 o'clock Central Time, if you're Eastern, Mountain, or Pacific, you'll have the right times. And also, if you have any questions about what this is all about, or if you're struggling with your watercolor paintings now and you want to ask me a question or have a comment or what have you, you can feel free to make a comment in the comment section below, or if you want to send me an email, I'll have my email down there as well. So I hope that I will see you on Wednesday the 26th at 11 o'clock. And remember, it's live and it's free. See you then.